G'day Grooners and welcome to London! Oh, with a start like that can only mean one thing. I'm at Queen Elizabeth Olympic Park. It must be race day. Let's go. That's right guys, you heard correctly. Race day. This is my first, I know this might be a shock to the system, but this is my first running race of the year. I know, and it's nearly the end of September. But hey, I won't go through the history or whatever. If you've been following my channel, it's been, yes, we've all been through various traumas this year. And I've had a few extras thrown in, shall we say, since December last year. But anyway, here I am. And I'm so tremendously excited. I'm here for the RunThrough UK 5Ks and 10Ks. I'm personally taking part in the 5K. Right now there's a 10K race going on, and these particular races are being organised without, apologies if I'm stating the bleeding obvious, but they're all adhering to the COVID-19 rules and regulations stipulated by government and England Athletics. So whilst my race isn't until midday, yeah, I know, midday sun and all that. But right now there's a 10K race, and they've had different waves of people of different times. And right now there's a 10K race going on. And when that's finished, then our 5K race will go on. And it's all different waves, different start times, finish times, expected finish times, and so on. So words are not enough to express how excited I am to actually be here and taking part. I don't know what's going to happen in terms of my race. I did run, not this route, but it was a RunThrough UK 5K last year, almost a year ago to the day, and my time at that time, because it's my first ever 5K race, and having done park runs, this was a 5K race, I'd completed it in 18 minutes and 20 seconds, I think. So it'd be really nice if I can beat that PB today. But whatever happens, I'm just thrilled to be here and to be putting a bib on and doing a race. So let's go. Right, I'm just off to pick up my bib. Mask on, socially distance. Hi there. The name's Donato, D-O-N-A-T-O. I'm good, really good, thank you.
Feeling good for it?
I think so. Thank you very much for this. I do like your new face shield and
snazzy little.
So I have my race bib 1763. Is that a good year? I think so. Yes, a bib. This is what they call a race bib, and I can't wait to get going. Can you tell? So I'm out doing a bit of a warm-up, but oh boy is it breezy. You probably, I don't know where it's coming across on the old GoPro with the wind, but yeah, it's a breezy one. So that's it guys, warm-up done ish. Warm up done. I'm going to mount the camera on my chest and let's go and run this race.
I'm going to show you what we're going to do next. We're going to go with a side lunge and reach over to wake up those obliques. Step back into the middle and then the other way. Our core's in charge of keeping us nice and upright when we run, so really important that we get that weight.
Here I am to pick up the medal. My first medal of the year. Oh man, that was super tough, super hot. Wasn't really feeling it at all, couldn't push. But hey, it's done. Let's go and get some breath back, drink some water. Whew.
I'm Simon from New Malden, and I came to RunThrough because it's one of the first races after lockdown in search of a new PB. Unfortunately I didn't get it, but great day anyway.
Excellent. Enjoy it?
Yeah, lovely. Yeah, really good.
Great meeting you.
Lovely meeting you, thanks.
So I'm all refreshed, got me medal, and I bumped into one of the organisers here, Amy. Thank you so much. So I'll see you.
Glad you enjoyed it.
See you soon. I did love it. Thank you very much, Amy. Cheers. So I got me biscuit and a flapjack as well, or one of the Kind protein bars, I think it's called. So it's really good meeting one of the organisers there, Amy. It's absolutely brilliant. I can't say enough heartfelt thanks to all the organisers, because it's been pretty tough 6 months with events being cancelled, and yeah, it's been pretty tough. But for those of us runners, we really do appreciate those guys who put these events on, and we can actually have a go in a safe environment. And I know a lot of you guys over in the States and other countries around the world do appreciate seeing this, and it's fantastic. I love it. I hope you've loved it too. I think in terms of my time, I did come in with a PB by a few seconds, I think, but pretty technical. As you may see in future days, you'll see me publish my heart rate pace statistics video run. And all that remains for me to say is thank you so much for watching this. I really do appreciate the time that you take coming to see these videos each and every day, week, whenever. So I'm going to head off now for a rest and recovery and continue with my marathon training. So I'll see you soon, guys. Thank you so much.